Ayun, good afternoon sa lahat. Okay, so ngayon nagkita-kita na naman tayo but bago tayo magsimula ngayong hapon, okay, so nais ko pong mag-shoutout muna sa mga kako-teachers ko, lalong-lalo na po sa principal namin, sa Remarty de la Cruz. Good afternoon. Okay, then nais ko rin pong hilingin sa inyo na para matulungan natin lahat ng mga kaibigan nyo din, okay, so at mga kamag-anak nyo na gustong matuto, pakishare mo na ang link natin sa kanila para sabay-sabay tayong matuto this afternoon. Okay po. So, konting push na lang mga anak, matatapos na rin tayo. So, bago tayo magsimula, good afternoon sa lahat. Okay, Renz from Imelda Integrated Secondary School, SDO Malabon. Good afternoon ka, good afternoon. Bartolome, good afternoon. And then sa lahat, good afternoon. Okay, so kung ito ay hindi nyo mapapanood o hindi nyo masubaybayan itong session natin this afternoon, okay po, subscribe and like po natin yung ating pong YouTube channel at saka yung ating Facebook. Okay po. So, yun. So, sama tayong matuto this afternoon. Okay. So, at ngayong hapon din po, okay, so itong buwan ng Marso ay ipinagdiriwang natin yung Women's Month celebration. So, congratulations and sa lahat ng mga mommy. So, yon, and then, okay, tungo sa ating kaunlaran. Mga kababaihan, isa po ako. Okay po. Congratulations sa atin sa celebration natin itong buong Marso po. Okay, so now our topic for this afternoon. Okay, so bago ko simulan yung topic natin ulit, ako si Tutor Jolie kasama ni Tutor Roseanne at ito po ay masusubaybayan nyo ang session natin from 1:40 to 2:20 p.m. Okay. Ang topic natin for this afternoon, okay, so quarter 3 na tayo, week 3, illustrating triangle congruence. So, konting push na lang, matatapos na natin ang 2021-2022 at nandito kami, patuloy namin na tutulungan kayo para maitawid natin yung school year na ito. At nais ko rin magpapasalamat sa SOC Surgeon sa pagpapahiram ng module nila para ito ay magamit natin. Okay. So, we have, okay, so bago tayo magsimula ngayong hapon, objectives natin, after going through this module, you are expected to, number 1, define triangle congruence. Number 2, draw and label the corresponding parts of two congruent triangles. And number 3, identify corresponding parts of two congruent triangles. And the last one is number 4, relate triangle congruence in real life. Okay. Yes, so bago tayo, what I know. So directions, choose the letter of the best answer. So ang sagot po ulit mga anak, paki-comment na lang sa chat box natin. Okay, for number 1 question, which of the following is a symbol used for congruence? Again, which of the following is a symbol used for congruence? A, B, C, or D? Saan, anong symbol kaya? A, equal. B, not equal. Okay. C and D. Okay, meron na. May nagsagot na. Ang bilis. Okay po. So, comment ang sagot. Sige po. Paki-comment mga anak. Wow, very good. Okay. So, ang sagot natin for number 1 is Let's see kung ang sagot po ninyo mga anak is tama. Okay, so the answer for number 1 is letter D. So, congrats! Thank you po mga anak sa mga sagot nyo. Very good. How about number 2? How many pairs of corresponding congruent angles are there in two congruent triangles? Again, number 2 question. How many pairs of corresponding congruent angles are there in two congruent triangles? A1, B2, C3, and D is 4. What is the correct answer for number 2? Sige mga anak, comment ulit sa comment section natin. Very good. Okay, so lahat po kayo, tama ang sagot. Very good talaga. So mga anak, okay, so ramdaman ko yung energy niyo this afternoon. So, congrats. How about number 2? What is the answer? A1, B2, C3, D4. Okay, meron na. May nagsagot na po. Tingnan natin kung tama ulit ang hula nyo, mga anak. Okay, the answer for number 2 is yes, exactly. Letter C. Okay, 3. How about number 3 question? Okay, for number 3, okay, which of the symbols below is used to indicate correspondence? Ulit, which of the symbols below is used to indicate correspondence? Okay, so tingnan natin. Ang bilis, meron nang nagsagot agad for number 3. So, ibig sabihin nun siguro nag-advance study itong mga to. Pero thank you kasi nandyan pa rin yung study habit nyo talagang sa panahon kasi ngayon napakahirap ng modular kaya nandito kaming mga tutors nyo sa ETULAY para itawid natin. Okay, so how about, okay, so number 3, answer. Okay, so thank you for the answer. So, yes, yes, for number 3, so the answer is letter D. Very good. Okay, how about number 4? How many pairs of corresponding sides are there in two congruent triangles? Again, number 4, how many pairs of corresponding sides are there in two congruent triangles? A1, B2, C3, and D is 4. Okay, so let's see if your answer is correct. Again, okay, so Alcantara, good afternoon. Yes, okay. So how about number 4? And the answer for number 4 is, okay, tingnan natin. Yes, very good. Okay. So, Regine, Agonoy, Alexandra, someone out? Okay po. How about next? Number 5. Okay, for number 5 question is, okay po. So, number 5, okay, which of the following statements best describe the corresponding parts of congruent triangle? Again, number 5 question, which of the following statements best describe the corresponding parts of congruent triangles? Alin kaya? Okay, A, they are not equal. Again, A, they are not equal. B, they are congruent. C, they are supplementary. And D, they are complementary. Again, okay, ano kaya ang sagot? Ang tanong, which of the following statements best describe the corresponding parts of congruent triangles? Okay, so mamili tayo. A, they are not equal. B, they are congruent. C, they are supplementary. And D, they are complementary. Okay, so tingnan natin kung tama ulit yung kasagutan nyo, yung mga sagot nyo. Okay, so yes, very good. Number 5, the answer is letter B. They are congruent. Titingnan natin kung tama ba talaga na they are congruent sa pinaka-topic natin. Okay. So, another activity, identify the VAS or V stands for vertices, A stands for angles, and S stands for sides. Okay, directions. Identify the vertices, angles, and sides of each triangle. Okay, so i-identify natin. Ano po? Okay, i-identify natin yung vertices ng triangle natin, yung angles, at saka yung sides. At again, anak, okay, mga anak, ang name po ng triangle natin, okay, is triangle ABC. Again, yung name natin is triangle ABC. Now, we are going to identify the vertices of our triangle. Ano kaya yung vertices natin? Tingnan natin nga kung ano yung mga... Okay, so we have... Okay, yung vertices natin is A, B, and C. Ito yon. Okay. So, ngayon, titingnan natin yung angles. Ano kaya yung mga angles natin in our triangle ABC? Okay, so meron tayong angle A. Ito po yon. Okay, then we have, sunod, we have angle B. Ito siya. And the last one is angle C. At ngayon, okay po, alamin naman natin yung sides sides ng triangle natin. Okay, so we have, okay, so side AB. Then we have the next one, side, okay, AC. Line segment AB and then line segment AC. Okay po. Then the last one, side natin for the triangle is triangle BC. Okay, so good afternoon sa lahat. Continue tayo para hindi po tayo ma-distract. Ano po, mga anak? Okay, so tingnan natin for the next one. Okay, so na-identify na natin. Now, okay, definition of correspondence. Pairing the parts of one group to the parts of another group is called correspondence. Okay, so correspondence uses the notation. Ito po yung symbols natin, mga anak ha. Okay, so huwag kalimutan at tandaan po habang, okay, so habang yung discussion natin ay patuloy, ito po yung makikita nyo na symbols for our correspondence. Okay? So, ang first triangle natin, yung name niya is triangle knot. And then we have triangle JU po. Okay? So, assume triangle knot coincidence with triangle JO such that the vertices of triangle knot or NAT fit exactly over the vertices of triangle JO. Okay? So, we have then, okay, the correspondence can be created between triangles. Okay, so, ayan kung nakikita nyo, okay, see, okay, yung vertex natin N. Okay? So, ang kanya po na correspondence is yung G natin. Okay? So, iyon po. Then, we have A. Ito po, yung vertex natin. So, then we have E. Then, sa T naman natin, we have O. Okay? So, sunod, titingnan natin ha. Okay po. Okay, mga anak, next. Okay, note. In naming congruent triangles, the order of the letters representing the vertices of one triangle shall be written in the same order as their corresponding vertices in the other triangle. Okay? Tandaan mga anak, uulitin ko, in naming congruent triangles, the order of the letters representing the vertices of one triangle shall be written in the same order as their corresponding vertices in the other triangle. Okay. So we have the next one. Okay, so we have the illustration. Okay, same triangle ulit tayo. We have triangle knot or NAT and triangle JO or GEO. Okay, in this correspondence, there are three pairs of corresponding vertices, angles, and sides. Okay, kung nakikita nyo, okay, yung corresponding vertices, okay, sabi ko nga, yung N, ang correspondence vertex niya is G. Ito po. Ang A is E. Ito. And then yung T, that is O. Same with the corresponding angles. Okay? So, yung angle N, okay po. So, ang correspondence angle niya, okay, that is angle G. And A is E. Then, yung angle T, that is angle O. Same with the corresponding sides. Okay? So, yung corresponding sides natin, okay? Line segment NA, ito po yon mga anak. Okay? So, yung corresponding sides niya is line segment GE. Okay po? Okay. So, then, okay, yung AT ay EO. And then, yung NT is GO. Okay? Since the vertices of triangle NAT or not fit exactly with the vertices of triangle JO, therefore, triangle NAT and triangle JO are congruent. Okay? They are congruent. Okay? And the symbols, ito po yung symbols natin for the congruent. Yung may equal sign, then parang may nagwe-wave sa taas. Tandaan, that is the symbols of congruent. Okay, so next we have the next one. Okay, so definition of congruent triangles. Okay, so ano kaya yung congruent triangles natin? Alaman natin. So, two triangles are congruent if and only if the corresponding sides and the corresponding angles are congruent. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan same po ang sukat. Okay? Same po yung buka ng angle natin para masabi natin na yung dalawang triangle na yan, okay, the two corresponding sides and the two corresponding angles are congruent. Hindi po pwedeng, okay, hindi po pwedeng right triangle yung isang angle natin at ang isa naman is acute angle. Ang kilalabasan nun is they are not congruent triangle. Okay po. So, illustration. Okay, so triangle NAT is congruent to triangle JO. Is read as triangle NAT. Ayan po. Okay. Is congruent to triangle GEO. Okay. It implies that the corresponding parts of congruent triangles are also congruent. Okay, so hindi natin masasabi na yung dalawang triangle na yan are congruent kung, okay, tandaan, kung yung isa po ay kahit yung sukat, okay, example, yung sukat ng side natin is 0.5 centimeter. Okay, tapos yung isa naman is 1 centimeter. So kahit konting konting lagpas lang po ng sukat or kahit tingnan po natin yung buhay ng angle ng isang triangle, kung hindi po, okay, kung hindi po sila magkatugma, ibig sabihin nun, they are not equal triangles. Makikita naman po natin yung kaibahan or kung sila ba ay magkatulad. Okay po mga anak. Okay, so yes, good afternoon from Accountability Watching. Yes, Baroyo High School, Estilo, Pampanga. Good afternoon. Okay, so now, okay, ano kaya ang CPCTC? Okay, so CPCTC is corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Okay, so ibig sabihin nun, yung parts ng triangle natin, kahit isang part doon, pag hindi po, okay, hindi siya tulad ng isang triangle, ibig sabihin nun, they are not congruent triangles. Kasi dalawang triangle yung kino-compare natin. So, ibig sabihin nun, kailangan yung part ng isang triangle ay tugma din doon sa part na another triangle natin para masabi natin na yung dalawang triangles na yan are congruent. Okay po. Okay. So, ito yan, congruent angles. So, angle N is congruent to angle G. Angle A is congruent to angle E. Angle T is congruent to angle O. Line segment NA, sa sides tayo, mga anak. Okay, line segment NA is congruent to line segment GE. Same with side AT and side EO. Then same with side NT and okay, congruent to side GO. Okay, kung walang line na ganito mga anak sa taas, okay po? Hindi po natin yan masasabi na o isulat nyo yung word talaga na sides. Okay po. Okay. Conversely, if the corresponding parts of the two triangles are congruent, then the two triangles are congruent. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung sides niya, yung parts niya, pag hindi po yan magkatulad, okay, kahit sa unang tingin nyo, may konting buka lang o hindi, ay yung buka ng angle nila ay hindi magkatulad, huwag nyo nang ipilit dahil hindi po congruent yung dalawang triangles nyo. Makikita nyo yan sa isang tingin lang po. Kahit hindi nyo nakukunin yung sukat ng dalawang triangles nyo. Okay, for the example, number 1, we have, okay, triangle CAT or COT is congruent to triangle DOG or DOG. Write down the pairs of corresponding parts. Okay, tingnan nyo. Okay, so ito po, okay, so may clue na tayo. Okay, so ito po yung, okay, so triangle COT. And the other side sa baba, that is the triangle DOG or DOG. Okay? So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina sa inyo na kahit tingnan nyo yung dalawang triangles nyo, if they are congruent, makikita at makikita nyo po. Kahit hindi nyo na po sukatin kasi may mga clue. Okay pa? So, we have, okay, the congruent parts of congruent triangles can be determined with the help of arcs and thick marks. Okay, ito yon. Ito yung arc, ito yung thick marks. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Okay, so we have the angle A. Okay, then we have the angle C. We have the angle T. Okay po. Ayan. Okay, ito yung side natin, yung unang side natin. Tingnan nyo. Okay, yung side AC natin is congruent to side OD. Ayan, may clue kayo. Ayan po, meron po siyang nakalagay. Okay? So, yun din, yung angle A mo, nyo, is congruent to angle O. Ayan, so ibig sabihin nun, yun yung unang angle nyo. The other one is angle C. Okay, may dalawang arc. Okay? So, angle C is congruent to angle D. Then, angle T. Ayan po. So, pangatlo na siya. So, tatlong arc din. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang unang angle natin is isang arc lang. Yung angle A. The next angle, dalawa na yung arc niya. And the last angle, that is, tatlo na yung arc. So, yun po yung mga clue na tandaan nyo. So, ibig sabihin nun, hindi po pwede na si angle A is ilalagay nyo yung angle A is congruent to angle D. Kasi may clue na kayo mga anak at sa tingin nyo, isang tingin nyo pa lang, makikita nyo na yan na yung angle A pala is congruent to angle O. Kahit sa buka po ng angle natin. So yung side, ayan po, yung side, yung unang side, side AC is congruent to side OD. Same with side AT is congruent to side OG. And the last one, side CT is congruent to side DG. Ayan po. Okay? So, hindi kayo malilito. Kasi merong clue. Okay, next. And then, okay, so we have example number 2. Same lang din. Given that the two triangles below are congruent, list the pairs of congruent angles and congruent sides, and then name the congruent triangles. So, Ang name po ng triangle natin, okay, so triangle PSA is congruent to triangle NSO. Okay po. So, si triangle PSA is congruent to triangle NSO. Again, okay. So, may mga clue kayo. Mga anak ha. Okay po. Si angle A is congruent to angle O. Then, angle P is congruent to angle N. Then, angles tayo mga anak ha. Okay, so wag malito. Sa angles pa lang tayo. In-identify natin. Then, the last one, okay po. So, the last one, angle PSA, ito yon, is congruent to angle NSO, yung malaki. Okay po. Same with the sides. Okay? So, side, line segment PS is congruent to, okay, NS. Then, the next one is PA. Yon. Okay? Is congruent to, okay? So, congruent to NO. And then, side AS is congruent to side SO. Okay. So, next we have, for the example number 3. Tingnan natin yung example number 3 natin, mga anak ha. So, yun. Okay. So, huwag kalimutan yung pangalan ng triangle natin. Okay. Ito yung bubong ng bahay. Diba? Yung pinaka, niya, yung bago natin lagyan ng yero. Okay. Diba? May pundasyon yun. Ayun siya. Okay po. So, assume that the segments and angles in the numbered triangles are congruent. Identify which triangles are congruent. Ito. So, yung mga triangle natin o mga angles natin, ayan po, meron pong numbers na nakalagay. Okay. So, we have. So, tingnan nyo, kahit po titingnan nyo, makikita nyo mga anak kung si triangle 1 ba is congruent to triangle 4? Di ba? Hindi. Dahil mas malaki naman, kung titingnan natin, mas malaki po yung triangle 4. Tama? Yung sukat niya. Yung buka ng angle niya is mas malaki doon sa triangle 1 natin. So, maghahanap tayo ngayon, okay, ng kakongruent po ng triangle 1 natin. So, yon. Okay po. So, ang nakalagay dito, okay, so triangle 1 is congruent to triangle 6. Makikita naman natin, okay, ma-observe natin na magkatulad sila. Okay, yung liit, ang sukat is magkatulad. Okay, yes, Gabriel. Okay, may sagot na si Gabriel. Thank you, anak. Okay, thank you. Okay, then we have watching from, okay, Baraya Elementary School. Yes, thank you for watching. Okay, so continue tayo. Then we have triangle 2. Ito yung si triangle 2. Hindi naman pwede na si triangle 2 is i-compare natin kay triangle 3. Kasi nakikita naman natin na si triangle 3 is congruent to triangle 4. Si triangle 2 is congruent to triangle 5. Bakit sila congruent? Kasi kahit titingnan mo yung dalawang triangles na yan, kahit yung sukat o yung buka, kahit hindi na natin sukatin, kahit titingnan nyo lang, makita nyo yes, opposite sides lang po sila, pero parehas. Yes, exactly, anak. Okay, then we have Santos watching. Okay, thank you, 7 accountability. Thank you for watching. And then we have Bernal. Thank you for watching. Okay, next we have, tingnan natin. Let's see kung talagang nasusundan nyo. So, we have the next one. So, tingnan nyo, may illustration tayo. Okay, so before we have the activity again, remember, ito yung mga tandaan nyo, mga anak. Triangles that have exactly the same size and shapes are congruent. Ito yung tandaan nyo sa triangle congruency. Then we have next one, two triangles are congruent if their corresponding sides and angles are congruent. So, titingnan nyo lang. Makikita nyo na yan. Okay po. Then we have the next one. Two triangles are congruent if they fit exactly or coincide with when one triangle is put on top of the other. Yung pagtatakipin nyo o ilagay nyo sa taas. Okay? Pag kayo gumawa ng triangle at yan po ay lumagpas lang ng konti, pinagdikit nyo o inilagay nyo sa taas ng isang triangle. Pag yan po ay titingnan nyo, pag yan ay hindi sukat, ibig sabihin nun, they are not congruent. Okay po? Okay, so mga anak, tandaan po ang congruency. Okay, so we have, then, the next one, tingnan natin. Okay, find my partner. Okay, so description. In this activity, you will be pairing parts of one triangle to the parts of another triangle. Note that the notation, ito po, okay, correspondence po, shows corresponding parts. Ito yung symbols na to, mga anak. Directions, supply the missing part of the triangle that will make each correspondence complete. Okay. So ito, titingnan natin, hahanapin natin yung corresponding sides ng given natin na nandito po, corresponding angles, then corresponding sides. Okay. So, ayun. Okay po. So, good afternoon. Again, watching from Godofredo Reyes Senior National High School. Okay, good afternoon, Mercado. Mag-i-enjoy ka dito sa amin. Talaga, matututo ka. Okay, so we have. So, continue tayo. We're going to identify. Okay, so the first one, okay, so vertex tayo. Okay, so A. Vertex A, ano kaya ang corresponding vertex ng A? Tingnan natin. Okay, so we have ang A. So, yun. Okay po. So, dito, ang corresponding sa vertex niya is D. Ayun po. Okay po. Nakikita? Corresponding angles ng angle A. Ito yung angle A natin. Sige nga, paki-chat. Yes, Samantha, very good. Janet, yes, very good. Okay, so tingnan natin. How about the angles? Corresponding angles tayo. Angle A, anong correspondence niya? Okay, so we have angle D. Ayan po. Next, corresponding sides. Lines and corresponding sides niya. Titingnan natin. Ito yung triangle ABC natin, then triangle DEF. Okay. Then we have corresponding sides niya is line segment DE. Okay po. Next, we have identify natin. Next. Okay, the next one. Okay, yung vertex E. Ano yung correspondence niya? Okay, ito yon, diba? Ano yung corresponding vertex niya doon sa isang triangle natin? So, we have B. Ito siya, mga anak. Okay, then we have angles. Okay, so angle B. Ito yung angle B natin. Then, ang correspondence niya is angle. So, we have angle E. Ito yon. Then, yung sides. Okay, sides AC. Ito yon. Okay, line segment AC. Ano yung correspondence niya, AC. So, ito yon, tama? Side AC. Then, okay, equal po dun siya sa side DF. Yung sukat niya. Okay? Then, the last one. Okay, identify natin. Yes, Lloyd. Thank you for the answer. Pero mga anak, pag hindi nyo po kaya yung symbols po, pwede yung word. Okay? Accepted po yung word. Pero kailangan meron siyang kasama kasi pag wala lang, okay, so magiging mali po yung sagot nyo. So kailangan meron tayong symbols kasi pag wala yon, masasayang yung sagot nyo kahit tama po yon. Okay, mga anak? Sana tandaan nyo yung mga sinasabi ko kasi sa school po, kahit tama po yung sagot nyo, pag mali po yung symbols na binigay nyo, ibig sabihin nun, mali pa din yung sagot nyo. Sayang lang yung effort nyo. Okay, for the next one, ay ito, si angle E. Okay? Ang correspondence niya is vertex pala tayo. E is C. Then, dito naman si angle C, angle F. Then, side BC is side EF. Ayan. Okay. So, yon. So, thank you for the correct answer, mga anak. Okay. So, thank you, Ana Bernal, Reyes, Joy, Jerzel. Thank you for the answer. Then, Caribbean, side AC corresponding side DF. Yes, exactly, anak. Very good for the answer. Janet. Yes, vertices. Okay, very good for the answer, Janet. And then, Jerzel. Thank you, Gaza. Thank you for the correct answer. Okay, so we have next. Okay, so next one. Try me. Directions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Okay, for the question number 1. Which of the following statements is not true about congruent triangles? Ito. Okay, not true mga anak. Okay, so A, they are dissimilar. B, they are coinciding. C, they have the same size and shapes. And D, they have corresponding congruent parts. Not, not. Okay, not true. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi totoo about the congruent triangles. Ano kaya? Okay, so paki-chat, sa chat box natin yung sagot, ang bibilis. Okay, so mga anak, very good. Ibig sabihin nun, okay, so nakikinig kayo at talagang mula't simula ng discussion natin is nakikinig kayo kasi tama yung sagot nyo. Let's see if your answer is correct. The answer for number 1 is, ito na, tingnan natin kung tama yung sagot nyo for number 1. The answer is yes. Very good. Tama lahat yung sagot. So the answer is letter A. How about number 2? Okay, number 2. For number 2 question, tingnan natin kung tatama pa rin kayo mga anak. Titingnan natin. Which of the following is true about, ito totoo na naman, about the corresponding parts of congruent triangles? A, they are unequal. B, they are congruent. C, they are supplementary. And D, they are complementary. Which of the following is true about the corresponding parts of congruent triangles? Again, they are unequal. A yun. Yung B, they are congruent. C, they are supplementary. And D, they are complementary. What is the answer? Ayun, may sagot na. Tingnan natin. Okay, tingnan natin kung ang sagot nyo ay tama for number 2. And the answer for number 2 is, okay, ano kaya? Tama kaya ang sagot? Wow, very good. Yes, the answer is letter B. It is correct. For number 3 question. For number 3, tingnan natin. Very good, mga anak. anak? Wow! Parang gusto ko tuloy bibigyan lahat ng very good clap. Kasi lahat kayo tama ang sagot. Okay, for number 3. If triangle S is congruent to triangle HOP, then what angle corresponds to angle T? Again, if triangle SIT is congruent to triangle HOP, then what angle corresponds to angle T? What is the answer? A, angle H, B, angle I, C, angle P, and D, angle S. What is the answer? Ang bibilis. Okay, so the answer for number 3, yes, very good. Tama po lahat ang sagot niyo, mga anak. Titingnan natin. Let's see if your answer is correct for number 3 question. Okay, so ano kaya? Triangle SIT. Yes, the answer is angle S. Very good. Next question for number 4. For number 4 question is lovely. Okay, good afternoon po watching from Bagnas. Good afternoon, anak. Okay, watching from Bagnas Integrated School. For number 4 question, ano kaya yung number 4 question natin? Let's see if it is true. For number 3 question, yes, Ramos, thank you for the answer. Angle P, Janet, yes, thank you for the answer. Okay, lovely. Yes, Bagnos. Gaza, thank you for the answer. Ramos, thank you for... Okay, for number 4 question. Name the congruent triangles whose pairs of corresponding parts are shown below. Okay? So, ito po yan. Angle H is congruent to angle S. Angle R is congruent to angle N. Okay? So, angle E is congruent to angle O. Then, side R, line segment R is congruent to side N. Line segment or side H is congruent to side S. Okay? So, what is the answer? We have, kaya pagpipilian natin, triangle NOS is congruent to triangle HER. B, triangle NSO is congruent to triangle ERH. And C, triangle SON is congruent to triangle EHR. And D, triangle SON is congruent to triangle HER. So, sige nga, paki-comment ulit kung ano yung sagot, mga anak. Titingnan natin kung tama yung sagot nyo. Okay? So, ayan, ang dami nang nagsasagot. Titingnan natin. So, yes, correct. The answer is triangle SO is congruent to triangle HER. For the last question, okay, ito. Tingnan natin. For number 5 question, yes, very good. Gaza, Bernal, Samantha, William Moore. Okay, Trina, thank you for the correct answer. Very good. How about number 5? What would be the name of the congruent triangles given their corresponding sides? Again, what would be the name of the congruent triangles given their corresponding sides? We have side L is congruent to side R, side M is congruent to line segment Q, side L is congruent to side R. Ano kaya ang pangalan ng congruent triangles natin? If ito po yung given po yung sides. Okay, congruent sides. A, triangle LOM is congruent to triangle QPR. B, triangle OML is congruent to triangle PQR. And then next one, C, triangle MOL is congruent to triangle RQP. Then, D, triangle LMO is congruent to triangle PQR. Ang bibilis nyo, mga anak. So, titignan natin kung tama yung sagot nyo. Ito na, ilalabas na natin for the last question. So, the answer for the last question is Yes. Okay. So, the answer is letter B. Very good. Tama lahat ang sagot nyo. Okay. So, yun. Okay. So, mga anak, thank you sa sagot for the number 5 questions. Okay. So, ating subaybayan. I-like, subscribe tayo sa ETULAY. Okay. So, doon po mapapanood nyo. Ilalike nyo lahat at paki-share ulit, uulit-ulitin ko paki-share sa mga kakilala nyo para sa ganun hindi lang kayo ang matututo, matutulungan din natin sila. Okay? So, ayun, kami po yung mga tutors nyo. Pag may ate, kuya, okay, ang susunod po, that is grade 8, then grade 9, grade 10. Okay, so subaybayan ang ating YouTube channel at saka yung sa DepEd po. Okay, Facebook. Thank you. Bye-bye. Salamat mga learners. See you next Friday. That is 1:40 to 2:20 ng hapon. Bye-bye. Thank you mga anak. Thank you, thank you, thank you.